Let's see if I add this clip. It has different resolution. I will click on the clip and drag it to the timeline. So now we will add this clip on the timeline. As you can see, it is not going to fit properly in our project, so we have to manually scale it. When you will add multiple different resolution video clips, all time you have to scale them manually. It's take your time. So in this video I will show you how to save your time. It's very easy. Open edit menu, then go to preferences. Click to open media. Wait for preferences menu to open. In the preferences menu you will find defaults media scaling option. Click on the drop down menu to select set frame size and then click on OK button. So now when we add a video clip which has different resolution, it will automatically fit into your project resolution. There we go, it's save our time. Thank you so much for your interest. Give a like and subscribe to my channel.